Tingnan niyo, ang cute. Kasama ni Mr. yung mga bata. Hello mga palangga! Good afternoon! So, lalabas tayo. Kasi, si Mr. sabi niya na it's a good time today na i-trim natin yung mga tree. So, yun yung sabi niya. So, tutulungan natin. Gutom ako pero hindi muna ako kakain kasi kakakain ko lang. Gutom na naman ako. Tataba talaga ako nito. Wala nang diet. Nagsampay pala ako kanina. Yan. Sana matuyo siya kasi wala namang araw. Hindi siya malamig pero yun na nga, gloomy day. Nandoon si Mr. Oh. Nandoon siya kasama ang mga bata. Hello! Oh, umaaraw na. Hello, Fipa, Phoebe, John.
Ja.
Is the hedgehog still
I've
on the
kicked
road?
it inside, I think, but-
Oh, good.
Would you like to go and unload that?
Yeah, I can do.
You know where to go.
Mm,
Whatever you do, don't run over where the bonfire's been because it's full of nails.
okay.
It is, right, that's it. Stay.
Right, girls, come here.
You set off, just go, they'll stay on. And mind your car.
So, puputulin namin yan. Well, hindi puputulin, but we will trim the willow tree. So, that's what we're gonna do. So, naka-clump na kayo dito sa fence.
Yeah, I think we'll take this big branch.
Ang ganda nito mga loves ba? Pang IG. Ganda pang background na ito oh, 'di ba? Itong willow tree. Ang bango niya, sobrang bango. Naku naman tong taong to, oy. Ewo. It's not coming off.
Yeah.
It's not coming off. Can you lower it down, please? Thank you. Oh, it's heavy. Now be careful now. How are you trying to? Ah, it will. That's Mr. John. My monkey, Mr.
Mr. Monkey's got to get down now.
Yeah, be careful please.
See this? Like a gorilla.
Tingnan niyo si Phoebe. She's tired. She's tired. Wala na siyang energy. Kakalaro nitong si Pipa.
No, you can't.
That's it. That will do. I need to put it.
Get this, and then we'll come back for wood, and then
Yeah.
we'll load that up.
Because we have a few big woods, so we can use this as firewood. Yan. Bye! Yan. Punta tayo dito sa ating pond. Diba kinat natin yung ating wello? Tingnan nyo yung ating dito sa pond. Nandito lahat, napunta sa pond lahat. Ang ganda, tingnan oh. Yan. Yan sila. Doon, marami doon. Gusto ko lang ipapakita yung pond natin. Sobrang peaceful tingnan. Yan na, malinis na siya tingnan, diba? Naririnig nyo naman siguro may mga ibon na singing, humuhuni. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Si Mr. yung pinaload ko sa last load natin. Kasi gusto kong i-check niya yung mga tinambak ko doon sa paddock natin kung okay lang ba. I hope walang complain. Nandito na siya. Did I done a good job?
Huh?
Did I done a good job? Is it alright? Okay, good. Load this up. Okay.
To the pile that we've got.
More firewood. Oh, it's heavy hand. I need 2 hands. I need to put you down. Yan.
Got some daylight in anyway.
So, ito na mga loves. Trim na siya. Hindi na siya masyadong bushy. Well done, mister.
Left one is here.
No, we did not left anything. It's clear. Come on now.
That's roses, I believe. It was only like that when I first come.
Which one? This willow?
It was only like that.
It's only little?
Well, not little, but it was about so wide on bottom.
Right, okay. Right, come on now, girls. Hop on. Come on. Come on now. Peepa. You're not riding in.
Cool feet.
Peepa, come on. Save your legs. Phoebe's already here. Peepa.
Pepper, come on. Here.
No, she's not coming in. Peepa. There she is. What is that?
Under there, I dug a big hole and put loads of stone in the drain. And that's what that is into there, you see. And
Ah.
obviously they've found a way in. They'll be running around on top of stones, won't they?
Dito namin sila itatambak. Yan. Gutom ako. It's 3 o'clock na. Hindi kasi ako kumain ng lunch, kaya ayun, gutom si Inday. Ano ba yung pwedeng kainin natin? Meron tayong watermelon dito. Hindi siya watermelon. Melon. It's a type of melon. It's a honeydew.
Careful. Did you? Well, you wanted to put that in there.
Yeah.
Be careful.
It's better. You sharpen the knife. Way. Would you like some?
Turn it over, darling.
Would you like some?
Yeah, I'll have a quarter of that. You're supposed to take seeds out of halfway.
It's better when you take seed like that. You see it?
Yeah. You're having melon chip.
There's nuts, and then we're going to the barbecue house.
I'll leave the melon first.
Huh?
I'll leave the melon first.
Eat your
I'll
melon.
work on them too. They're not alike. Just going like that, they come out in lumps.
They don't.
What's it do, see?
Mmm. I don't know why I'm eating like this.
I don't. Should be doing like me.
Very good. Dadalhin ko to sa ating greenhouse. Itong seeds. Ito lahat. Para matry natin mag-grow ng honeydew. Kasi last time, nag-try tayo mag-grow ng melon pero it's a cantaloupe yun. So hopefully, maging successful to. Yung cantaloupe natin, tumubo siya pero yun na nga, namunga siya. Pero I think hindi siya as in na successful kasi trinay natin yung bunga. Hindi siya soft siya pero parang ano ba yung tawag sa Bisaya? Humok siya ba? Soft na feeling mo hinog pero hindi siya hinog. Nagigits niyo ba? Right. Itatanim natin dito. Ilalagay natin dito yung seeds. So, hopefully, tumubo siya. Yan. Please, tumubo kayo. Ayop, hindi kainin ng daga. Kasi pag ganitong time, may mga daga. What would you like tonight, sweetheart? 10 to 4 na, so it's almost tea time. So, magluluto na tayo. I don't know. I'm not having anything.
Oh, rice?
Pastis?
Yeah, then.
Pastis will do. Yan. And fries. Ito yung...
You getting the idea?
I'm getting the idea. So, ito yung resulta sa lockdown. Ako na yung nag-ano sa kanya. Nagugupit. Can I have a look at you?
What? I'll gel it first and then see.
Okay. So, first attempt namin, it's a chaos. Nagalit siya
I
sa
think
akin.
Hoover might be a good idea.
And then
Not me.
nalubat.
Hoover me.
Yeah. So, nalubat yung razor. Kasi, I'm so careful. Pero, sabi niya, sabang, basta, oy, nagalit siya sa akin. Kasi I never cut anyone's hair. So, ako naman, sobrang ingat ko, sobrang slow ko. Until to the point na naabutan kami na nalubat yung razor. And he's not happy about it. So, ito, continuation na to. Kasi itong, the first time namin, itong side ang nakuha dito. Parang sobrang konti lang. So, continuation na talaga to. Hindi ko papakita yung first video kasi nagalit talaga si Mr. doon. But, I think this one, ipapakita ko kasi hindi naman siya medyo galit. I think okay naman.
Can you hoover me, darling?
Okay. I need to take a picture so that you can see yourself. Sit down here, please. So, nilagyan na niya ng gel yung hair niya.
It's actually shorter than it ever has been, but it'll grow back very quickly anyway.
Look at me, please.
Well, I can see it front, can't I? It's the back.
This is 360. I'll just gonna take a video then.
Oh, whatever.
That's why I'm not a hairdresser, Han.
Yeah, but you didn't follow instructions.
I do, Han, but I am left-handed and you're trying to...
Yeah, you cut all my hair off the back, basically.
You said go higher.
No, but you cut all my hair off, haven't you? This is so... I normally have... That thing can't be cut in at number 2.
You said just...
It says, yeah, but it says number 2 on it. It's obviously not. Yeah. It'll grow anyway, won't it?
You're not going anywhere, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I did try my best.
Thank you.
At least he's not mad at me.
Should have put number 3 on it. See, it says there, on it.
Yeah, it's number 2.
On it somewhere.
Yeah, number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Well, the number 2 in hairdressing salons, and I'm like longer than that.
Yeah. That's why I was so
It's more bristly, it's more like shaven nearly. It don't matter.
It's another day mga palangga and it's tea time. So, yung tea natin ngayon is lamb chops and roast potato, roast parsnips, and roast carrots. So, yun yung tea natin. Uunahin natin yung ating potato kasi kailangan pa natin itong pakuluan para ma-half cook siya. Then, ilalagay natin siya sa oven para ma-roast. Maglalagay ako dito ng oil. Papainitin ko. So, update nga pala sa holiday and flight money namin. Sana uuwi ako ngayong 27 sa April. But yun na nga, kinansel na talaga ng airlines namin yung flight ko. So, hindi na talaga ako makakauwi this year sa Pilipinas. So, sinabi ko doon sa vlog ko na sobrang konti lang talaga yung hope ko na makuha namin lahat yung pera namin, mostly sa hotel. So, sabi niyo, some of you were saying na i-email niyo yung hotel, makukuha niyo talaga yung pera niyo. So, in-email ko yung hotel last week, Thursday ata yun. So, in-email ko sila mga 6 or 7 o'clock na dito sa amin. So, I wasn't expecting them to reply me straight away. So, some of the companies response me the next day and some of the company nag-respond sila yesterday. Hindi ko ini-expect na mag-respond sila yesterday or makatanggap ng message galing sa kanila kasi weekend nga and holiday din. So anyway, my good and sad news dito. So sa airlines, sa flight namin, for the flight money, sabi ng airlines na i-refund nila kami, which is good. So that's good. Sa hotel, so, yung holiday namin, nag-book kami ng 4 hotels. So, sa 3 hotel, umuo sila sa amin. I-refund nila kami. Yung isa lang yung hotel na nagsino sa amin, hindi namin ibibigay yung pera niyo. Kasi ganito, ganyan. Hindi ko na lang papangalanan yung hotel. Sayang lang pag hindi namin yun makuha kasi yung hotel na yon sa 4 na hotel, siya yung parang pinaka-second to the expensive na expense namin sa holiday na iyon. So, well, wala na kami magagawa kung hindi nila ibibigay. What can we do? Pero sabi ni Mr. na he will try to chase it up. So, fingers crossed lang talaga na makuha namin lahat. So, sana itong holiday na ito sana yung pinaka-big holiday namin this year na pinagplaplanuhan. So, yung kinontribute ko sana sa holiday na ito is ako yung nagbayad sa namin, sa flight. So, nung sabi ng airline na i-refund nila kami, so ako nabunutan talaga ng tinik. So, at least makukuha ko yung money ko. So, si Mr. yung nag-shoulder sa hotel and transportation sa holiday namin. So, nakakasad lang kasi yun na nga, pinaplanuhan. Pero, well, we just need to think na marami pang mga next year na darating na makakauwi din kami sa Pilipinas. Ang mahalaga na alagaan namin yung sarili namin and safe kami, and alam ko na yung family ko sa Pilipinas naghihintay sila sa akin, sa amin. So, yeah! No! Naku, ayaw ko umiyak! Birthday ngayon ng kapatid. Kapatid naming lalaki. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung handa nila. Kasi yun na nga. Lockdown pa din sa probinsya. Nag-lockdown na sa probinsya and bawal pa din lumabas. So, sabi ko sa kanila na, ay, okay lang yan pag kahit walang handa. Basta, okay lang kayo. Yan yung mahalaga. So, yan. So, by the way, balik tayo. Ito pala, nilagay ko siya sa tubig, yung parsnips natin. Kasi pag hindi mo siya ilagay sa tubig, mangingitim siya. Para siyang talong, mangingitim siya. Pag hindi mo siya ilagay sa tubig. Mainit na yung mantika. So, i-drain natin yung ating potato. Hello, hindi siya nagfo-focus. Yan. Mag-focus ka lang sa akin. At wala nang iba. Nakita nyo yun? Nakakatakot. Pinapaliguan ko sila ng oil. Lalagyan ko lang ng kaunting asin and rosemary. Oh my! Oh dear. Konti lang pero napadami. New kasi siya. Yan oh. Kaya ayun. Never mind. Lagay na natin. I-check natin yung ating potato. Kailangan natin silang i-flip. Ilalagay ko na din yung ating carrots. Ay. And yung ating ito. Yung ating parsnips. Isama-sama ko na sila sa isang tray. Alam nyo ba? It's funny. Hindi ako kumakain ng parsnip pag hindi siya roasted. Kasi pag niro-roast mo yung parsnip, sobrang iba talaga ng lasa niya pag ni-roast mo compare sa gawin mo siyang soup or pang stew. Iba talaga. Papaliguan ko sila ulit. Medyo may pagka-late na yung tea natin. Kasi yung oras dito, 10 to 5 na. Tea is ready!
Need vinegar as well as we go.
Put that on my list. Looking good. There you go, sir.
Cool.
So, ito na yung...
Really, really.
Yes. So, ito na
That's
yung...
too thick.
What do you call this? Finished product. Yan. Sobrang gutom ni Mr. Kaya
Yeah,
he
let me-
cannot wait. Pour it. My veggies only,
It's
please.
thick.
So lumpy, your gravy,
Oh,
sweetheart.
because I just did it. Do you want more?
More. I like a lot. That's it. That's it. So, kain muna kami mga palanggaan. Ito na rin yung vlog natin for today. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Bye, John.
Bye!
Bye. Mwah, mwah.